Long before London became a global city, the River Thames flowed through a landscape of forests, marshes, and small human settlements. Around 2,000 years ago, the Romans established Londinium, a settlement that would become the foundation of London. Trade, roads, bridges, and Roman engineering transformed the settlement into a thriving commercial center.
The Thames became a highway of commerce, connecting London to the wider Roman world. At its height, Londinium was already a remarkably diverse and sophisticated city.
Though the Roman city eventually declined, its roads and foundations would leave a lasting mark. After Rome withdrew, a new London slowly emerged from the ruins. The Saxons created Lundenwic, a growing settlement powered by trade and the river. But London stood at the crossroads of ambition, trade, and invasion.
In 1066, the Norman conquest changed England, and London entered a new chapter.
The Tower of London became a powerful symbol of royal authority.
Medieval London became crowded, noisy, wealthy, and increasingly influential.
The Thames remained the city's lifeline, carrying people, goods, and ideas. Then disaster struck. The Black Death devastated London and transformed its society. Yet London endured, recovered, and continued growing into England's political and commercial heart. Under the Tudors, London became a powerful centre of politics, culture, and royal drama. It was also the London of Shakespeare, where theatre transformed popular culture. Then, in 1666, a devastating fire swept through much of the city. From the ashes, London was rebuilt in stone, and its skyline began to change forever. During the Georgian era, London expanded into a city of wealth, fashion, commerce, and enormous social contrasts. The Industrial Revolution transformed London into one of the world's great industrial cities.
Under Queen Victoria, London's population exploded, and the city became the heart of a global empire.
New technology reshaped the city, and the world's first underground railway changed how London moved.
Trade and migration brought people from across the world, laying foundations for London's extraordinary cultural diversity.
The 20th century brought London into the modern age. 2 world wars would test the city and its people like never before.
During the Blitz, London endured relentless bombing and refused to surrender.
After the war, London rebuilt itself and entered a period of profound social change.
Migration brought new languages, traditions, food, music, and identities, making London increasingly multicultural.
As the new millennium arrived, London became a city where centuries of history stood beside futuristic architecture. Today, London is one of the world's most connected and culturally diverse cities. Yet beneath its modern skyline are layers of history stretching back nearly 2,000 years. Roman streets became medieval roads, medieval markets became modern neighborhoods, and the city kept reinventing itself.
London's history is not finished. Every generation leaves another layer behind.
From a Roman settlement on the Thames to a global metropolitan, London has survived, evolved, and endured, and its story continues.